Nah, it looks good. Let me show you actually.
Do I look cold in the face? Oh my god. Oh, this is perfect. I fucking love. I'm excited now.
We just gotta let the balloons do its thing, and then
we gonna let
hopefully
it
we can like capture.
Yay.
Guys, there's no footage, just voices. Thought it was voices in my head, but nope. Not too sure what happened actually. I want to say the lens cap was on, but I usually take that off to hit the record button, so that's weird. But whatever. I mean, there's no video for you guys. Photos turned out great, as you guys heard. So I might just do a slideshow. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Not expecting any likes, maybe comments. I do hope you guys still subscribe. But yeah, there's nothing left to it.